Today's K-tip, the art of setting the appointment. Wow, first of all, if you learned all that I had to give you during how to make a close, that was a lot. I hope you've learned how to master the close. You've learned this week on how everything works together in mastering the art of sales to get you to this point. But the beginning part is to learn the process. Now it's to know how to set the appointment. Remember, when setting appointments, it's crucially important that you don't say, when is a good time for you? Because by leaving it open, you leave massive confusion. If you want to be a salesperson that really has discovered how to set appointments and the art of getting prospects where you want, try learning how to ask a client or a prospect for that appointment by saying, what day works best for you, the beginning of the week or the end of the week? And then try asking, what works better for you, early morning or later afternoon? When you do those, always giving two choices. And by the way, your first choice should be the one you truly want. So what works better for you, early afternoon or later afternoon? And learning how to know how to do this and get the prospect where you want, 9 times out of 10, I can open my day timer. You could point to a date and I could call a total stranger and get them to book that date, because there is a technique to getting them to book. But first you have to know it's all about choice questions. So you don't say, do you want to? Because that's not going to work. It's what works better for you, this or that. And that's how you play that game to set the appointment. And then it's learning how to set your standards as to what it is you want and how that appointment's going to go and what you're going to do. So how to give the outline and for them to know what to expect during your appointment. All of that literally turns down to another class, a whole new week of a very simple K-tip each day so that you can apply it and give it a try. If you've missed this week's K-tips, go back and listen to how these 5 K-tips come into giving you what you need to practice how to set an appointment, get to the appointment, what to know during and before the appointment, and how you've already learned what your prospects want so that you're knowing how to give them what they expect. This has been a fun week just talking about the art of sales, and there's a lot more to learn. Are you willing to learn those things? Give yourself the time, get out a notebook, have some fun, back up, and take 15 minutes to literally jot the notes for the entire week. It will help you to keep and stay on track as to knowing what to do first, second, and third. Enjoy making the most of your week.